Hello everyone. Today we will continue with the Salesforce management, and the topic is our motivation and the compensation of Salesforce management. First we will go with the motivation. What you understand by the motivation, it comes right from the motive, and the motive is related to the your desire or need, what you want in your life, that is become a motive to do a action. So you're trying to stimulate a sales people to do their job or do their action effectively, and so that the increase of sales volume. Okay, so that's why the motivation is become very important our part in sales phone management. It is very necessary for a sales manager to keep motivate our sales people so that they are not get dissatisfied, or that they don't uh, create any kind of hurdle in between the job. So what keep them motive, that is, it could be any desire or want which is provided by the self organization. If someone self esteem is want to be a promote in his job, so that is keep motivating him, or they want to kind of compensation of it going to be a salary or income sources, so that keep motivated them to do their job. So that's why the sales organization understand this, and they make people towards to the sales operation. So that's why they create a target, and they create a sales contest. I think they make a reward kind of policy, or you can the incentive policy, or you can say uh, compensation policy for the salespeople. So that's why the compensation comes after the motivation, because keep them motivated we have to give something, a, a tool, or you can say something what they desired most. If you usually say is a sales organization, if person who will do this kind of sell, he will get the vacation in the Singapore, or a person who did this kind of job, he will get a benefit in salaries, or this kind of whatever the reward policy or compensation policy sales organization have. So the next topic is compensation of sales force. The compensation of sales force, it is a remuneration or reward policy where they attract the young salesmen, okay, or you can say the good salesman to the organization, and keeps a salesperson contented. Contented means if they have good compensation policy, so they have to a self-esteem, or can say they have no, if you want to achieve that reward or remuneration, you have to deal with that person, means they are ready to deal with any situation. And that compensation policy also lead to the loyalty, which terms we say that the good loyal salesperson are is very good for the healthy sales organization. Okay, so that compensation policy also lead to the loyalty of people, because through the loyalty we can less expense on the recruitment and selection and the training program. Okay, the next, how to make a good compensation plan. There are 2-3 factor which is consist, yeah, we can say the principle through that we make a good compensation plan for the salespeople. The first one is adequate income. Income means related to the salary benefit is also would be a good for a salespeople, that should be a take care. And the simplicity means the compensation plan which is sales organization prepared for the salespeople, it should be understandable by the both. So there should be no hidden policy, we can say hidden agenda behind all kind of policy. The flexibility means we can arrange or rearrange in the future terms. The incentive oriented means the competition always in that particular manner, whenever those who do good work, they receive their reward. It's not like that the income, yeah, we can say the competition is equality. Okay, we should take care of the equality, but not at that level that those who performing well feel cheated. Okay, and for point is low admission cost, means making a good competition plans with didn't create any accountable work or job in that plan. Okay, and the last 2-3 points is prompt in payment, means easily compensation plans, it should be a prompt in payment, means there should be no delay getting reward, or we can say remuneration by the sales people. and try to give the promotion in the compensation plan, mean those who are doing the good job, so giving the uh, promotion to the next post, not keep them at that level. So that is the all about the compensation plan. The next topic is supervision is the very important part, which is can say a follow up part means how the salespeople are performing. The earlier we discussed of motivation and the compensation. The last topic for the sales force management, it is the supervision includes a follower, you can say the review system, means whatever sales people are performing in that territory with their sales quota, we should the supervise, means whatever their work is doing, and the okay, so we can evaluate on that point, and we can improve their and lots of point, like if they are something lacking in the training, that's why not we can give them the training. If they are feeling unmotivated, we give them motivated to good to do a good sale, or they are not happy with the compensation plan or reward plan, so we can tackle with them. Okay, the good supervision will need to be followed, because and that basis of that we make the appraisal for the sales people, so that lead to the promotion policies. If they are not doing well, so we can fire them. That is all about the supervision. Thank you for that. That was the third unit of next video. We will go to discuss about the marketing. Thank you.